Hey there, it's Tally. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to one of our latest features, multi-transaction. We were already ahead of the curve with our ability to handle multiple transaction types on one screen, but we knew we could take it up a notch. We supercharged our speedy transactions with the multi-payment feature. Picture this, our customer Steve Mack strolls in with a stack of tickets to pay. Instead of tackling them one by one, let's use the multi-payment option. From the dashboard, search for the customer and hit select. Then navigate to the sidebar menu and click multi-payment. A pop-up window will greet you with all of Steve's active loans. Now here is where the magic happens. You can sort by various columns such as loan numbers, descriptions, transaction dates, principal amounts, charges due, and due dates. Checkboxes are your friends here, enabling you to perform redemptions, renewals, or extensions. Pro tip, if your store doesn't support a particular payment type, it won't show up on this screen. As you check the boxes, you'll see the amount owed for each loan based on your selection here. As you add multiple payments to this screen, you can see the total amount to collect from the customer here. Super handy if your customer only has a certain amount with them. Clicking the payment checkbox will bring up the extend loan detail box. Or if you prefer the multi-select extension option, hit the link at the bottom of the multi-payment pop-up window here. With this feature, you can extend by number of periods, specify due dates, or distribute by payment amount. Once you're all set, click OK, and voila, all those payments are seamlessly added to the transaction screen. And guess what? You can do more. Layaway payments, finalizing a sale, finish a background check, and much more, all from one convenient screen. When you're finished, hit the next button to breeze through the tender screen and collect payment from your customer. There you have it. Conducting transactions has never been smoother or speedier. Questions? Don't hesitate to ask our AI chat, Judy. Reference our Solution Center or give us a ring at 888-407-6287.